All things iOS here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you all how to set up a next array on your iPhone. Of course, that's SE 2020 and iPhone 8 and below. So all you need to do is open settings. Once you open settings, you can go to TouchID and passcode and then enter your passcode and you'll see this screen. So now all you need to do is you want to click add a fingerprint. And from here, it's pretty easy. Just like when you first set up TouchID, you just place your finger, lift up, place your finger, lift up, place your finger, etc. So I'm going to do that now. There we go. Click continue. Lift, place, and you're done. Just click continue. Boom, there you go. So that is how you set up a second fingerprint for TouchID. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.